Hello parents, summer is here and it's perfect time to keep our little ones busy on learning. Today I am going to show you 5 easy brain boosting activities for aged 3 to 5. These are fun, colorful and perfect for keeping their mind sharp while they play at home. These activities are great for improving memory and eye-hand coordination. The activities are easy to set up and very effective. All you need is some papers, markers and popsicle sticks. Let's get started. Number code. This is a fun matching and decoding game. At the top of the page, there is a code where every number has a matching shape. Like 8 is a circle, 5 is a triangle. Here, the child has to look at the numbers and shapes scattered below. If the child sees a number, they must find the matching shape from the code and draw it next to the number. This activity helps the kids to improve their concentration and problem-solving skill. This activity helps the brain to remember and recognize different symbols and numbers quickly. Pattern tracking. Next one is a simple and creative visual matching game using paper and popsicle sticks. You draw different patterns on a paper, then you draw exact same pattern onto popsicle sticks. The child must look at the pattern on the paper and the popsicle stick that matches perfectly, then place it directly over the pattern. Color logic. This is a high-speed color coding and shape matching game. In this activity, little ones must look at the color dots scattered across the page. The child must identify the color of the dot, look at the code at the top to see which shape belongs to which color. Then they draw the correct shape around each dot. This activity encourages brain to process two pieces of information at once. It also reinforces the ability to identify and distinguish between different colors. It also helps children to learn to follow the rules and switch their attention between code and the task. Count and match. This is a fun counting and number recognition activity using paper and popsicle sticks. In this activity, the little ones counts the number of dots inside one of the shapes in the paper. Then they look through the popsicle sticks to find the one with the matching number. Finally, they place the stick over the shape. This activity helps children practice one-to-one correspondence and also reinforces the link between a written number and the actual quantity it represents. The last one is a visual, spatial and logic activity. It has 2 columns of squares where each square is divided into 4 smaller sections. Each section contains a specific color dot in a unique arrangement. Here, the little ones have to look at the square in left column carefully, observe the position of each color, then they have to scan the right column to find the exact same pattern. Once they did, draw a line to connect. This activity requires high concentration to ensure the colors are in exact right spot before matching, which improves focus and attention. I hope these 5 brain boosting activities helps you keep your little ones busy and learning all summer long. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more educational activities and DIY ideas.